Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and we are representing to the fullest Jamaica to Trinidad, Caribbean and the world. We don't want no more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's sleeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the streets. Eradicate poverty and crime with a cease. Somebody talk loudly. Election time when they come in on the streets. Full of the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired to hear the people but we don't want no more.
Boom, 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 boom. Which nation kill them one people? Black. Which nation kill them one people? Black. Which nation kill them one? Alexa, can I ask you a question? Which nation kill them one people? Black. Which nation kill them one people? Ask Google. Google will tell you.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great. And one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, this is a special Good Friday video. And this is going out to no other than, you see him up on the thing, the one them call Mr. Vybz Kartel. Because when you look at it, it's Good Friday. And what he did to Lizard and Shawn and what do you the name? St. John, I always forget his name because it look like him not have no family. As a matter of fact, look how the youth look. Now, this is St. John. Look on the youth. The youth here now, when him go jail now, he is a young man. The youth can't be no more than 32, 33. It seems like when him go jail, him about 19, 18, 19. Where is Mr. St. John's family? What happened to Mr. St. John? Him then at the GP a bake like a bread to blood clot and me hear Vybz Kartel now deal with the man then. And me hear everything we are going at GP. You know say Ninja, they are GP, and Ninja are the man where move round and thing, and it kind of fuck up for no say, pussy world Vybz Kartel, this the big heavy man Ninja, cause Ninja better than him, by far, you understand? This the big heavy blood clot Ninja man. Because him couldn't crucify Ninja like how him crucify Shawn and St. John and Lizard. You understand? Him couldn't do that. And the rest of Gaza man then. Him couldn't do that with Ninja.
Let us be the voice for Shawn Storm. You understand? Let us, since a Shawn Storm family them, freed, you and Nanny is Shawn Storm family, and we are going to ball out per YouTube. Kartel is too wicked. So they say either swear and either get big. Tell him it's a Nanny. Say through the weight, rotar. Me don't know Shawn Storm and me don't know him, but they say you know a sickness they never get bigger and bigger every day. It's a botany more the lick him getting I made with that. What you do for Shawn Storm? If you make the man do so much ear for you and nothing. Some blood clot lick him wanting I made with that.
You understand? And now you're dead there. I'm looking at the man's face. I just threw Ninja better you than you. You understand? In terms of character, believe it or not. But yeah, St. John, warm to the youth here. You see the cross? Vybz Kartel put them on the cross, you know, and crucify the man them in a dog. Only way the man them can get out of this, unless them take a deal and left Vybz Kartel a prison, yo, straight up. or if Vybz Kartel him man up and step up, you understand, admit to him do, you understand, ask for leniency, see if them will work with him, and free up them 2 youth, yeah, dog. The man them deserve it. You understand? So if Kartel step up, admit, you understand, ask for leniency, the money will walk. Make them know say, yo, the money now have nothing to do with it. But is Kartel gonna do that? That's a riddle. That's a mystery. Now, when you look on that picture there, you have Shawn stamp on the cross. You have St. John's, and you have Lizard. And look who in the audience with the Gaza Nation them. A Gaza Nation that, you know, Vybz Kartel. Let me show you how some of the people them round a waterfall are pussy. Now imagine Vybz Kartel, him no born a waterfall, you know. Him born a Ashley Road. You understand? You know where Ashley Road there? Out of Walton Park Road. You understand? Walton Park and Spanish Town. And he can't take it, go back through, probably catch up around a Maxfield, all of them place there. You understand? Now, and this how Vybz Kartel born, you know. And Shawn Storm born a waterfall. You understand? And them give up Shawn Storm for blood clot Vybz Kartel. You understand me? I this the man born and growing up. And Vybz Kartel, him come round there and start the film thing. Next thing you know, them give a Shawn Storm for Vybz Kartel. Yo, Vybz Kartel, you a pussy. Yo, you have the man them on a cross. A Good Friday, you have to come off of the man them back. You understand? Come off of the man them back. Now, I play an interview yesterday when Vybz Kartel talk about Leng. And him say Leng send police come on event. Now, the thing with Vybz Kartel never tell you know. And me I go tell you right now. Him also say Leng won 500,000. That's why I'm not do sting. But really and truly, him come a sting, fight Ninja Man, and Ninja Man them bust sting, you know. You understand? With Border Clash and all them song there, you know. So Ninja Man them come bust sting, him come fight Ninja Man. Ninja Man now do sting, him now do sting, him a flap Leng thing. So what him do, you know, him put sting and Leng in a financial arrears. And then we Kartel end up do now, him and him American homeboy, like him say in the interview, I do a thing for Sting night. You understand? Boxing Day. Him a do a thing, a club up in a New Kingston near Quad. You understand? We hold 2,000 people. Him a put on a thing. That's why Leng send police up in it. That him flap the man thing. You understand? By fighting Ninja Man. Now Ninja Man now go a sting. Him now go sting. Him say Leng won 500,000. Leng show up at the thing. Then this up Leng. You understand? So Leng shut it down. And you can't blame Leng for that. So yeah, him come a Leng's thing. Fight Ninja Man. Ninja Man pressure Leng said nah deal with Sting again. Him now got Sting either. Now him want Leng finish pay him for the thing where him fuck up. And when him do him fuck up the man thing, put it in a financial arrears. Cause people now support the thing no more like that if Ninja now come, cause Ninja them. You understand? Then on Boxing Day, he's gonna try and set up something. Not even try, set up a dance or whatever in a one club uptown that holds 2,000 people. I think Leng was gonna put up with that. My youth, Cartel, you're a big pussy. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. May I make Nanny explain it better to you, cause me and Nanny have a conversation, and I want to hear that conversation here. How Cartel a big P-U-S-S-Y. You see him? You have the bottom feeder, and then you have the middle bottom feeder, and then you have top bottom feeder. You see him? He would be a top bottom feeder, equivalent to a 116. Cause me I call them bottom feeder. So him is a 116 according to Sir P, and according to Countryman, him is a top bottom feeder. Yo, me I make Nanny explain this bomba clad.
When we read it up, you know, my Nanny brain tell me for the first. Is it like you alone, me and Ninja Man and somebody else a cartel. Me and Ninja keep singing. Me and Ninja Man they pan it. Ninja Man they pan the sing come up first and nice it up. You cartel run come up and come pan it, right? And come start beat up Ninja Man with your friends them. If you notice, if you're looking in the video, Shawn never did a beat Ninja. Shawn never got a stage show. You understand?
Yeah.
Singer go keep right. You now come and sing because you beat up Ninja Man. You cartel. Ninja Man now come because Ninja Man to you. I link keep the stage show, keep singing all the time. And for it must me come there and chat on it. And a nice up sing and I get the crowd. And you make a man come on it. Come beat me up.
Yeah.
So you know, don't take it.
Yeah.
Again, you know, I don't know thing. Then what Cartel do, him now gonna sing, Ninja now gonna sing, and him do a big, him a do big stage show, quality sing a war.
At the club, we hold 2,000 people.
Right. So what you do? You have mash up lane. And you mash up sing, you five and sing, mash up sing, and then you now gonna sing, and then you are take the crowd, sing crowd.
The dancehall people.
Tour. Well, you must show the people, right? So you ain't tell you. And pussy and some police, I mean, I think long time a boy now.
Shawn Storm, may I tell you this. You see, if God ever help you and you come out of jail, put your foot in your hand and run as far as you can from Waterford and from Gaza Nation. You can't trust no cross the waters people. You can't trust none of them over there. You understand? Because anything Vybz Cartel do, them people them and Gaza Nation, the first thing them do, them enable him. Now, may I wrap up the video here. And it's Good Friday. Cartel, you know see the man them a carry the big heavy cross upon them, yo. Yo, you forget a retrial, make a deal, you understand? And free up the man them from the big heavy cross where they upon them back, where you put upon them back, my lord. Shawn Storm, St. John, you see when the cross drop and him drop the cross, uno fi run like a fugitive from cross the waters. Yo, Cartel, use a pagan pon the man them, cause you go a sting, fuck it up, fuck up Ninja Man, and fuck up Lane. And then you expect your thing I go through, your mad and bomb clean. That's why Lane shut you down. You understand? With that said, We are keep it moving, you know, and keep on burn out fire upon the youth, yeah. Cause you crucify the man them, you crucify Shawn Storm, Mr. St. John, and Lizard. Lizard done gone already. But me want you lift up the man them from off of the cross. You look on the picture them, you see in your suit, you in the suit, you know, and Shawn Storm I carry the cross, and I hears the man I carry the cross, yo. Yo, the man was a mechanic, and he might do music thing. You understand? His mother sell at the school, and she blind. And him do the music time want take care of her mother and get her eye operation. And look where the youth blood clot, you know. You make a bag of money. Listen, you did have reality show, you did have condom, you did have liquor, you have all sort of things, you know. And you have the blood clot gangster them. The baddest, some of this baddest set of blood clot gangster, clansman. You have them in your blood clot pocket. And look what you do. My youth, release the man them from the cross. That me I tell you. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. And like me say, me I go and beat him, you know, because me no like all them do Shawn Storm and Michael St. John. Listen, everybody, cartel my bomber clot. Warm to Shawn Storm, warm to St. John. Huh? Warm to them man there, warm to the other people them. Eh? I that enough to talk about. I'm out.